Good morning. My hair's a little bit crazy this morning. I didn't brush it. Just in the Tim Hortons drive-thru, getting my family some coffees, and I've already gone to the grocery store. I have been doing stuff, so I'm gonna head home after I get all this stuff, and actually I'm gonna start editing because I am really behind in Vlogmas videos. I had a feeling that this would happen, but my goal is to get probably 20 up to Christmas, so with the days that I've missed. I have grace for myself, you know, I love doing all the 25, but we moved and we traveled and we're not even living at home, so I think I'm doing pretty okay for, you know, the situation. But tonight is a little Christmas gala. Well, it's not little, it's a Christmas gala with my family's church that we're gonna go to, and I am so excited. I'm gonna go over to Olivia and Claire, my cousin's house, and do their makeup at 4:30. I gotta get ready. Oh, I don't even know what I'm wearing. That should be fun. But I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be a wonderful evening, and yeah, really like close to Christmas. It kind of is creeping up on me. But anyways, I'm gonna get my credit card ready to, or my debit card ready to pay, and head back home and check on little Walter. He's been having a rough time. He does not want to go outside at all. He hates the cold and he's not feeling well, so my poor baby. Okay, I am here at the condo, and I am trying to figure out what I did with some of my clothes. So I'm a little bit, I see a suitcase that I know I put stuff in. It's all the way in there. Ugh. Oh no, I don't want to scratch anything. So now I need to figure out how to open this, and I don't even know if this has something that I could wear. No, is this it? Ah, okay, I found it. I will just wear this. Okay, that was not as hard as I thought it would be, grabbing this. I love the natural light. So the color is gray. Aaron was here. He sees taupe. It's kind of, the color, if anyone is interested, is classic gray from Benjamin Moore, which pulls both taupe and gray, which is what we wanted because it goes nicely with everything. It's a little more neutral sometimes, I think, than gray, because you could go either taupe or gray. I really like it, but yeah, okay. And then I'm grabbing this little guy because I think this is cute. I'm not even gonna bring the hanger. And now it is time to edit. The fireplace is on. I've got some cinnamon dolce coffee. Delicious. Walter is just taking another little snooze, and I've got a couple of hours before things get crazy for me. So let's start going. Okay, I just finished editing. The video is uploading. It's gonna go live right away. I this little salad, triple quinoa, bountiful blend for lunch, you know, trying to do good on the holidays. I'm gonna quickly eat this up, and then I'm actually gonna film a get ready with me video, because like the last get ready with me, it was like my holiday, I don't know, it was like my holiday neutral, but then this is like gonna be like a chit chat get ready with me and styling my new long hair. So I'm gonna quickly eat and then get ready because I gotta go do some gals makeup, and I still gotta stop off at the drugstore, buy some control top pantyhose. Let's be real.
We are so glad to welcome you as well. Thanks for coming. Thanks for celebrating.
Nana looks fancy.
All right, well, one of the things that I have learned from one of our family members, his name is Andy Hughes.
So cute! I saw that. You guys love each other.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yummy. I'm a carb loader. You carb loader? I'm gaining. I'm cutting January 1st. Yummy. We are definitely getting our carbs in tonight. Lots of cheese.
We're doing this tonight. Where do you go with your one, bro?
Who's this model? Who's this other model? Who are you? Just joking. You're a model. Nice shoes. Thanks. Nice shoes. I love your shoes. Can you do some more shoes? I know, I love them. We're taking some cousin pics. We're in line for the photo booth. It's way over there. It's quite a long line, actually. Woo!
Want another one? You need to have two. Yeah, up there.
Hey! Try and find the balance point. This is gonna hurt, I think. 3, 2, that's slippery. Now it's only a warm-up, so only clap to see something kind of cool. Woo. Gravity. Yeah, for those of you way at the back who can't see very well, I wasn't really juggling this one. However, it gives me a chance to show you how I do two in one hand. I usually go this way. Sometimes I go back the other way. And if I can't make up my mind, I just go back and forth like so. Thank you, table one. I do my mindset. It's like the Olympics. 90% mental. Okay, you got it. Right behind my ankle. No, my ankle. You got it. Don't let go. Do not drop me. Hang on tight. Look towards the audience. Hang on tight. Don't drop me or we can be in Oh, riding with one foot. Haven't done it yet. Can't stop her, Paul. I'm gonna throw one to you. Which one do you want? Chicken park? Measles? Elevator. To the spotlight fades. I will lift your banner high. I will lift your banner high. Hey, to the wishing for the rest of my days. I lay it all on the line. Too deep.
We are home now. Walter is just chilling. I just turned on the fireplace and I'm going to relax. Well, I'm gonna get ready for bed. And yeah, tonight was super fun. The entertainment was really good. Yeah, we had a really nice time, but I am exhausted. Andrew's exhausted, Walter's tired, ready to take these eyelashes off, let's be honest. Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Vlogmas, and I will see you again for another video.